ते ड्रेसिंग आरएसएस तिकडे आहे का बघा बरं.
So I think we can start, right? Almost 5 minutes are waiting on the call. Hello.
Yeah, hi, good morning. Okay. So we'll start only in 1 minute. 1 minute. So we'll take only 1 minute. Yeah, guys, is it audible?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Hi, good. So this is Ameer Pasumarthi. And I have 15 years of experience in Salesforce. Okay. Will take only 2 minutes. A few members are coming. Only 2 minutes.
Ameer, overall 15 years in IT or only in Salesforce you are having 15 years?
In Salesforce.
Okay.
I will take only 2 minutes, guys. Please be patient. A few members have to be joined. Everyone understand English, right? Or else shall I speak in Hindi, Telugu, or Tamil, any language, if you're feasible? Just let me know. If you don't understand English, please let me know, so that I can speak in Hindi, Telugu, Tamil also.
The English is fine, Amir.
Yeah, good. Anyone there from apart from English? If you want me to speak in Hindi, Telugu, Tamil? Okay, nice. I hope English is perfect. So we'll start with the things like why we have joined. Yeah. What is the necessity of joining in Salesforce? What is meant by Salesforce? First, we will see what is meant Salesforce and the CRM. Okay. In the year of like 2000, in the year of 2000, how was there without the cloud? What was there? I will start from the scratch. A few people are there from freshers also, so that they can understand what is a cloud means, what is a front end means, what is a back end means, and then how this cloud has come. So see now I will start from the 2000. If you want to enter into the IT industry, then we need to have some knowledge like a front end, right? A front end we need to know, or the back end, or the database, or the database. So what is meant by a front end? First we need to understand what is meant by a front end. Anyone? Like the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, etc. Right? So this is called it as a front end: HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and etc. If you want to add the frameworks, also you can add the frameworks. On the back end, like if we have the Java, Ruby, .NET, Python, etc. And in the same way, if you want to use the databases, like we have the databases like Oracle, MS SQL, SQL Server, etc. See, if you want to enter into the IT industry, you need to have the idea of front end or the back end or the database. When it was in the year of 2000, not now. It was in the year of 2000. Now, in the year of 2001, the cloud has come. The cloud has come. What is a cloud? Again, what is a cloud? Say, any idea about the cloud?
The cloud provider who just gives infrastructure and databases from which we can use, I mean, we can leverage our services for our applications.
Perfect, perfect. See, the cloud application is that I will tell you the few examples how you can understand the cloud examples. Like we have the Facebook, right? The Facebook is also a cloud application. And the Twitter is also a cloud application. And the Tumblr is also a cloud application. And we have for the phone, we have like Telegram also is a cloud application. All this call it here as a cloud applications. Why do we call it as a cloud application? Means no need to install anything. No need to install anything in your laptops or systems or anything. Okay. Only we need to have the login ID and the password. Only we need to have the login ID and the password. If you have the login IDs and the password, we can run the cloud application in any of the systems like a laptop, desktop, or a tab, or a phone, anything, right? So what we call it as a cloud, the only thing is we need to have the ID and the password. Apart from this, everything will be taken care by the cloud applications itself. You people no need to install in your systems anything at all. Like this, Salesforce is a company name, and it provides a product called it here as a CRM product. Salesforce is a company name. It provides a product which is called it as a CRM product, and that too, it is a cloud application. It is a cloud application. And again, what is a CRM here? Any idea? What is a CRM here? Any idea about the CRM?
Customer relationship management.
Perfect, Dheeraj, perfect. Customer relationship management. Where do we use this one? Where do we use customer relationship management? Where do we use this? See, if you have the vendor or a seller, I will tell you the example. Vendor or a seller. Okay, vendor or seller, if they want to sell any product, any type of a product which is called like a chair, like a goods, like a pen, bottle, or a laptop, desktop, or or any fans or inverters, anything, any type of a thing, if they want to sell, what they will do, they will take the information of the customer, right? Information of the customer, like name, details of the customer, address, location of the and phone number, and the product details, and they will be having the invoices, bills, and they will be having the reports. So all these things are encapsulated in a single application. In that single application, all the information will be saved in the CRM. That is called it here as a CRM application. We call them as a customer relationship management. Customer relationship management. Now, my question is there only one CRM in the world? Is there only one CRM in the world? Then why we are going behind the Salesforce CRM? Is there only one CRM in the world? There are 379 CRMs in the world. There are 379 CRMs are there in the world. Then why the people are running behind the Salesforce CRM? Because for the past 12 years, for the past 12 years, Salesforce CRM is the best CRM in the world. Salesforce CRM is the best CRM in the world. It stood first as the best CRM in the world. If you want to check in the Google also, you can check in the Google. It is the best CRM in the world from in the year of 2013 to 2013 to 2025. 2025. It is the best CRM in the world. So you can check that. Now, I will tell you a few examples of CRM which are available nowadays. Like we have Fresh Sales. Fresh Sales is also a CRM. Zoho is also CRM. And Pipedrive is also a CRM. Pipedrive is also a CRM. And Sales Cloud is a CRM. Oracle is a CRM. SAP, CRM, etc. All the CRMs we have. The renowned CRMs. But the Salesforce is the utmost important essential thing, which is called it here as the best CRM. Why it is best? Why it is best? Now we will go deeply somewhere. Features of CRM. Features of CRM. Why it is best means because it is a cloud application. It is a cloud application. No need to install anything. No need to install anything, and no need of upgradation. What does that mean, upgradation? Any idea about the upgradation? Fourth one, it has the elasticity. I will tell you what does that mean, elasticity. And the fifth one, it is a multi-tenant functionality. And it has a small businesses to the larger scale businesses. So these are the features which are available for the Salesforce CRM. Like we have the cloud application. As I told you, we need the ID and the password to run a Salesforce application. And no need to install anything in your system. If you go, I will tell you the few examples. Suppose if you have the Oracle CRM, then we need to install that, like 250 GB will be there in your laptop or a desktop or a servers. We need to maintain the servers. If you go to the offices, you can find the servers, the separate space and roof for that, and you need to keep the 3 ACs and all, or 4 ACs and all, depending upon the servers, right? See, so this place will be occupied by the servers. Okay, and we need to have the networks. We need to maintain the admin people for the networking. We need to maintain the electricity, all these things. But here in Salesforce, no need to install anything. Only we need to have the ID and the password, as I told you. Now, no need of upgradation. Upgradation, as I told you, upgradation means automatically if you want to upgrade any type of an application in IT, we need to go year by year, like for the new version, like 4.2, 4.4, 4.6, 4.7, like that. Okay, but here in Salesforce, it will be upgraded by itself. How it is upgraded? In 3 seasons. One is summer season, one is winter season, and the spring season. In these 3 seasons, it will be upgraded by itself within 2-3 seconds. Within 2-3 seconds as a maintenance, and they will take this as a maintenance for 2-3 seconds. No business will be lost. Okay, so it will be upgraded by itself. Now here we have the elasticity. What does it mean? Elasticity. Elasticity. Let's see. Suppose if we have the number of users, we have example is we have 100 users. Okay, 100 users. Now we need to improve that 100 users to 150 users. What they will do? What the other people will do? Other people, they should purchase one more server, and they should keep the information in that server. One extra server. If you keep one extra server, again we need to occupy some space, and ACs and maintenance and connectivities, all this thing. But Salesforce has elasticity. If you bring 50 users also, we no need to worry. Application will not be down. The application will be in the same process. It will accept. It will accept because it is a cloud application. It has the more elasticity. If we have the lack of users also, we no need to worry as a subscribers. Now, what is a multi-tenant functionality? Can you meet Rahul English? Mr. Rahul,
Yes, sir.
can you meet your side? No. See, it has a multi-tenant functionality. What does that mean, multi-tenant functionality? Any idea about the multi-tenant? Suppose if you have an apartment, now you have the like 1 BHK, like 2 BHK, like 3 BHK, right? In the apartments, we'll find in a single apartment, you can find the flats like 1 BHK flat, 2 BHK flat, 3 BHK flat. What they will do? They will give the rentals, and depending upon the places, like 1 BHK, 2 BHK, 3 BHK. Suppose 1 BHK is 1 BHK is 10,000, and 2 BHK is like 15,000, 3 BHK is like 20,000. In the same way, we have the additions. According to the additions, the Salesforce will provide to the users so what they need, or the clients or the customers, what they need. Like, it is called it as a multi-tenant functionality. Okay. Now here, small businesses to large business scale. We have a small business, like if at all, the vendor is a small business, they can use this application. If the vendor is a large scale application, they can customize the application. So we can have the two things, like one is standard, one is customized. You can customize the application. You can have the standard application. I will tell you the one example. If you go to the Zoho, Zoho is a standard application. We cannot customize that application. If you want to customize the Zoho, they will say that no, we will not customize this. You take this application, we will ignore the fields. Okay. But Salesforce will customize the application. Now, as you understand what is meant by CRM, now as you understand what is meant by a cloud, now as you understand what is meant by front end, back end, and the database. Now I'm going with the additions. Additions, we call them here as additions. What does that mean, the addition? Suppose if the customer or the client wants to take these additions, what they have to do? We have the types of additions here. One is essential edition, and professional edition, and enterprise edition, unlimited edition, and developer edition. Developer edition. The essential edition is for the small businesses. For the small businesses, we can have 10 users at a time. We can have 10 users at a time. Like we can have, if you want to go with the more users, we should go with the professional edition or the enterprise edition. Unlimited edition is the best edition in the world because it provides more number of users. If you have lakh users also, you can use the unlimited edition. This is 24/7 support edition, unlimited edition. Salesforce supports all the way with the customization and the standard and the customization. Unlimited edition is the best edition for all the office use, not for the employees. Now this one is the developer edition is a free edition. This is for the practice purpose. This is for the learners. Those who want to learn this, we can learn for the developer edition. Okay. Now we understand what are the editions we have from Salesforce. Now what services it provides? Salesforce provides services. See now, what is the services means? As you know, the services for the past 15 to 20 years, like we have the services like IaaS service and PaaS service and SaaS service, right? What does that mean? IaaS means. Any idea?
Infrastructure as service.
Perfect. Infrastructure as a service. Infrastructure as a service. What does Salesforce provide? Salesforce provides as a cloud application. We no need to bother about the cloud application and the data centers. It will provide data centers, and only we need a laptop or a desktop. A laptop or a desktop. Okay. If you have a laptop or a desktop with 2 GB RAM and and 256 GB hard disk, 256 GB hard disk, and 2 Mbps speed of internet. Okay. Nowadays, 256 GB means low configuration. 2 GB RAM means low configuration, right? And 2 Mbps speed means low internet. Nowadays, we have the internet like a 300 Mbps, 5G, 4G, and all. For the 256, we have the SSDs now. SSDs now, 2 SSDs, 256 SSD, 528 SSD, right? Now we have like a GB's RAM, 8 GB's RAM, 12 GB RAM. It is a low config on the low configuration also. The Salesforce application will run. Okay, we can run the Salesforce application on any of these things, like a laptop or a desktop or a tab or a phone. Okay. Now, what is meant by PaaS here? What is meant by PaaS? Any idea about the PaaS? Platform
As a service.
Perfect. Platform as a service. What does it mean? Platform as a service. See, if you want to customize any application in the Salesforce, we can write the customization also. We can do the customization also. We have some languages in this. We can use that languages to customize that application. What are the languages we have here? Like we have Visual Force. Visual Force we have HTML, JavaScript, CSS, and LWC, Lightning Components, Aura, and Apex, etc. All this code we can use in Salesforce. If you know the HTML, if you know the JavaScript, if you know the CSS, if you know the LWC, Aura, Apex, and the Visual Force, you can write the code, anything, any type of code in this Salesforce. Like we can customize the application also. If you don't know the code also, don't worry. We are here to teach you. SAS. What does it mean? SAS means. Okay. What does that mean? SAS means software as a service. Software as a service. What does it mean? See, the Salesforce provides a built-in application. As I told you, the Salesforce provides a built-in application for the small and the medium businesses. We have the built-in application also, like Zoho. We can have the like SAP also. We can have the SAP like Same like SAP, same like same like Oracle. We have the SAS application. That is built-in application for the small businesses also. If you want to customize, we can customize also. All the two types we have. So we call them here as a built-in function. The built-in function is like a built-in functionality. We call them as a built-in functionality. If someone takes this application, if they want to run for their business, it is called it like a plugin. They can utilize this application. Okay. Now you understand what is an IAS, what is an IPS, what is an SAS. Okay. Now for the user services, like a small architecture we have of Salesforce, like how it looks like. Like the first one is the user interface. We have in the user interface we have the sales cloud and marketing cloud, and you have service cloud. Okay. And for the metadata we have Wix, LWC, and we have Aura, we have Salesforce, and for the database, we have a database, Salesforce database application. We call them here as tables as an objects. We have all the objects will be used here. Like you can call them case of metadata as a post.com. Now this one is an architecture for the user interface, a metadata, and the database. So everything is built in application. We don't need to worry about this one. Architecture, how this architecture looks like, or what we have to do with that. Because this is a cloud application, everything is built in. Now, where we have to learn this? We need to understand where we have to learn this. We have two URLs here. One is www.developer.salesforce.com, salesforce.com. Another one is www.login.salesforce.com, login.salesforce.com. These are the two things we have. We need to work out on this. First one is www.developersalesforce.com. We need to sign up here. It looks like a Gmail only, so no need to worry. We need to sign up in that. After signing up, we will get an email. Once we get the email, we will be having the link of new password and the confirm password. Once we created the new password and the confirm password, then we need to go with the login.salesforce.com. This is the main production URL. We call them here as a sandbox. We don't call here as production. We call them as a sandbox. Now I'm going to show you how we can sign up first. If you have the laptops, if you have the desktops, you can watch this and you can try from your side also. If you want the help also, I'm ready to help you. Are you able to see the screen? Are you able to see the screen? Anyone, guys?
Yeah.
Yes, we can.
Yes.
See, I'm going with the new URL. That is what it here as a developer.salesforce.com. If you want to try, I'm going to show you the chatbot. We can check with this. If anyone wants to try, you can try from that. On the right hand side, we have the browse styles. Click on the browse styles here. When you scroll down this application, you can find the developer edition. Are you following? This is called it here as a developer edition. This is a developer edition. As I told you, the developer edition is a free edition. You can have the free edition from this as an essential professional enterprise unlimited developer edition is a free edition for the purpose of learning, for the purpose of doing, or for the purpose of testing, for the purpose of development. Okay, you can have all these things features. In all the Salesforce features will be available in this. Like we have the build apps fast with the drag and drop, go for the Apex Store, and build with artificial intelligence agents force, and harmonize your data with the data cloud, and ground agent force with structures integrated with the anything. Now I'm going with the get a developer edition here. Click on this. Click on this. On the right hand side, you can find the application form, like the first name, the last name, and the job title, and the work email, company name, and the country name. Now first write the name, example as a weekend, and the last name as I mentioned. If you want to write some other name also, you can write some other name, but it should be unique name. Unique. The job title here, write it here as a Salesforce developer. If you want to write Salesforce admin also, you can write it Salesforce admin, Salesforce admin, Salesforce development, or Salesforce consultant, or Salesforce architect, anything. Like Salesforce admin and the developer are the most passive things to write. And the work email ID. The work email ID, please write down your Gmail ID. It should be unique Gmail ID, and it should be active Gmail ID. If it is not active, you will not get any mail. So please go with active. It may be Gmail, it may be Yahoo Mail, it may be a Hotmail, anything. And the company name, if you want to write the company name, you can write the company name, or else write the company name as Suresh IT. Suresh IT. And if you're from India, you can write it here as an India. If you're from America, please write down as an America. If you're from US or UK, Australia, please note it down like Australia, or UK means UK, or if you're from Texas means Texas, Missouri means Missouri. Okay. So place the country which you're from. Okay. Then afterwards, click on I agree. I agree. Then click on I'm not a robot, and click on sign me up. Once you sign me up, please go to the Gmail which you have given here. Please go to your Gmail which you have given here. Okay, sign me up. So once you sign me up, I will show you how the Gmail looks like inside from the Salesforce. I'm going with the Gmail now. I will show you the Gmail how it looks like. Once you understand that, I'm going with the Salesforce tryout sfts@gmail.com and click on next here. Finish resetting your password. You have to get like this. Finish resetting your Salesforce password. See, this is the link you have to get. Like your Salesforce administration recently reset the password for the username. Like to finish the resetting your password, go to the following link. This link will be expired in 24 hours. It will be available for 24 hours. When you click this, automatically you will find an application which is called it as new password and the confirm password. Once you have written all these things, please save and note it there somewhere else. Example, I'm noting here like this. Example, I'm noting here like this, like Raja Verma @Suresh IT, and the password is MATHS maths @. Example, assume this one as a login admin. Please note it down somewhere. If you don't note it down, you will forget it. Now, after creating this two, we have the second URL. We have the second URL that is called it here as a login.salesforce.com. Login.salesforce.com. Now I'm going with the login.salesforce.com in a new tab. Click on login.salesforce.com. Yeah. Now we have all the initials of our other students, other batches and all. I will show you that one. I'm sharing the URL to you in the chat box. If you want to copy or paste it in your notebooks, you can paste it. That's fine. Login.salesforce.com. If you want to try, you can try from your side. Once you have created that. See here we have tryout @agentforce.com. Okay, and login. And login. See, once you have login, this is the Salesforce application. This is what Salesforce application. We have, as I told you, the 3 built-in applications are there for the CRM. I will show you that. Now, this one is called it here as an app launcher. On the left hand side, these are the 9 dots. Are you able to see the 9 dots? This is called it here as an app launcher. App launcher. On the right hand side, we have the Eskimo symbol here. In the symbol, you can find the logout button here. You can find the name of your org, and this is a link of your org. And here we have the settings here. Here we have. Okay, we have the sales. Okay. Now this one is called it here as a sales cloud. Sales cloud. Like we have the home, opportunities, quotes, leads, the task, products, accounts, price books, orders. These are called it here as a standard objects. The tabs are called it here as an objects. Please make a note. The tabs here are called it here as an objects. Tabs are called here as objects. Objects means in SQL, the structured query language, we call them as a table, But here in Salesforce, the tables are defined here as an objects to store the data. Okay. So all the objects are placed as a tabs. And this one is the sales cloud. So when you come down, we have the service cloud. You can find the service clouds here. These are the service cloud. When you come down again, you can find the marketing CRM application. Marketing CRM. So when you have a view all button, when you click the view all button, you can find all the customized apps also, like sales app, service app. You have the customized apps, coaching center, my permissions, insurance or not insurance. Okay. Now we have like schools, construction, greenhouse, and so all the items are available. And fine. I will show you one example now how we can work out all this. Like I'm going with the sales cloud. Now here we have the accounts object. In the accounts object, I'm going with the new button. New button. I'm writing the name, example name, like I'm writing here as a Gopi, scrolling down and saving the record and save. See ya. Save now, right? Now you can find the Gopi name here as a record. See ya, Gopi as a record. Okay. Now this one is called it here as an admin. The admin things are easy things. Like you can go plug and play like admin, and we have the development also. Yes, we have the development. We have the development. Here admin work will be like a 50% of admin work will be there, and the development work will be like a 50% of development work. 50%. So when you click on this like this, is it easy or hard? Is it easy or hard? When you click the application, clicking on new and writing some name like Vasu and saving the record. Is it hard or easy? Just answer me. Whether it is hard or easy.
Yeah, easy only.
Easy only, right? Only click on, right? This will be the work of admin. It will be easy. No need to write anything code, any type of a code. The admin will be, if you have the knowledge of computers, low category of computers also, you can work out on Salesforce. It is an easy aspect. You can learn very easily like this one. Now here, admin is 50% and the development is 50% equal to, we call them here as a Salesforce developer. Salesforce developer. Okay. Now, what we are going to teach you, that is the most important. What we are going to teach you, we are going to teach you in the 360 degrees. In 360 degrees. Okay. Now I will show you the index plan for the series like Salesforce CRM with the GenAI, because we have the GenAI also. You can find the GenAI. On the right hand side, we have the icon symbol. Are you able to see the icon symbol here? This is called agent force. The agent force. The Salesforce is updated with artificial intelligence. The artificial intelligence here, we call them here as an agent force. Agent force. I will show you the example. You can find the things like a find accounts created in the last one. So automatically you can get the information from the agent force. See, here are the accounts created in the last one. See, all the information will be available like this. Now you need to go to the objects and check what are the things we need to have like this. So you can have it here. So if you have a question, please prompt a question on this, and it will show you the answer. It will show you the answer. This is the thing which is advanced with the cloud plus AI. Cloud plus AI. Okay. Now, what we are going to teach you, this is important. Now, I'm going to show you the index form, what we are going to teach you. I will share you the online members. I'll show you the index. For the offline people, you can have the look or this. The office people will give you the offline form. Okay. Now here we have the Salesforce administration. You can have the overview of the cloud computing services. What is an SAS, PAS, IAS, and we can and we have the users like roles, profiles, user creations, group, queues, application, standard application, and custom application fields and relationships. We have the custom objects, standard objects, system fields. On the left hand side, I'm reading. On the master detail, lookup, junction object, hierarchy, roll up summary, validation rules, formulas. In the layout management, we have the page layouts, mini page layouts, record types, field level security on layouts. And sharing and security, like we have the profile settings, role hierarchy, sharing rules, order. In the flows, we have screen flow, auto launch flow, record trigger, schedule trigger, and the platform event trigger. Approval process, we have the dynamic multi-step approval stuff. On the right hand side, we have the data management, the importing of the data, importing the data from the Excel sheet to the Salesforce, exporting the data from the Salesforce to the Excel sheet, and the mass delete data loader. Data loader is nothing but to upload the data with the insert, update, delete options and all. We have the data loader as a third party tool. And the reports we have, like custom report, you can have tabular report, summary report, matrix report, dashboards. And as objects we have, as objects means the Salesforce objects which Salesforce is provided as a default object. So like what is a campaign, what is a lead, what is an account, what is an opportunity, contact order, contract, product price. These are all objects useful for the CRM application. We will be explaining you one by one what is the objects. In the case management, the case management will be there, like email to case, web to case assignment tools, data auto response tools, escalation tools. Suppose here we have the development part. Now we have the development part. Now we are going to teach you from the development part. Now people will be having the doubts like, do I need to have the idea of the C language, C++ language to work out? See, I'm telling you here, please note it down. No need to have the coding knowledge. No need to have the coding knowledge to run a Salesforce application. We are here to teach you from the scratch of the Salesforce application. What is a object-oriented programming? We have the sessions for 5 days. It will be there, so you can have the knowledge of basic knowledge of object-oriented programming, and we are going to teach you in a simple manner what is a variables, identifiers, data types, access modifiers, if else, loops, methods, objects, classes, inheritance, and polymorphism, interface, constructors, and all. You can write the basic code. You can have the code within expertise after 1 month. See, this is a basic code. Now afterwards, we will be going to the list set map in the collections, and we have the Salesforce things like triggers. We have trigger events, trigger context variables, insert triggers, new trigger, recursive triggers, delete, and SOQL, SOSL we have. Here we have the SOQL, dynamic SOQL, aggregate functions, date functions, parent, child parent, SOSL, dynamic SOQL, and using the workbench. And we have the batch apex for the bulk records to upload or to update or to insert or to delete. The batch apex, the schedule apex we have. And we have the wrapper classes creating the VF pages here. On the right hand side, we have the list views like page block table, data is repeat. The action components like support function, status feature. And lighting aura bundle, we have the introduction of aura bundles, component lifecycle, data binding, apex methods, styling aura, handling security, working the wrapper classes, implementing the pagination, and working with the Salesforce data. And we have the LWC also here. With the LWC, we have installation of the PS code, UI creation, button creation, and the calculated program, APIs, example track, wire, lightning, data type, record. Once we have finished this one, we have the generative AI, which is used for the Salesforce now in advance. As we have all the updated version with what is a Gen AI, how we can use the Gen AI with the Salesforce, what is a co-pilot we have, what are the AI tools on the platforms for the Salesforce, and then how these AI tools will be useful for the businesses, what is a prompt engineering, how this prompt engineering will be useful in the Salesforce. And for the co-pilots and all, we have the VS Code. That VS Code, you can write the code easily. Then after this, after completing of this course, we have the resume preparation. After completing of the course, we have the resume preparation. Resume preparation will be there. The classes will be like a Monday to Saturday. Monday to Saturday. On Saturday, we have the repeated session or the review session, or the review session on Saturday. Why on Saturday? If at all the student doesn't understand on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, again we are going to repeat on Saturday any topic which the faculty have told you. Okay, on Saturday it will be in a repeated session and the review session. If you don't understand, you can have this feasibility. You can learn again on Saturday. Okay, on Sunday it will be a holiday. On Sunday it will be a holiday. Once you have done that, after admin, you will be getting one project. You will be getting one project that will be useful for your career. If you want to enter into the IT industry, that will be useful. How you can run the project, what are the things we need to take care, how this project will be useful to your career. So everything will be there. Then afterwards, we have the development part. In the development part, we are going to teach you again one project for the development part. Okay, one project for the development part. It will be useful for you. Now we have the interview etiquettes. Interview etiquettes. The etiquettes is nothing but how we should speak to the interviewer. What are the things we need to take care while we are speaking with that? Okay. Now introduction. If you don't know the introduction, suppose the few students will be there that don't know the English. So we are here to teach them from the introduction. We are going to give the introduction application form, and they will be practicing that. And that introduction will be taken care by the student itself. But they have to read for 5 to 6 times. If they read that, mug up that, then automatically the interviewer will be impressed with that things. Then afterwards we have question and answers. Question and answers for the interviews. If you're going to the interviews, we are going to provide the question and answers. Okay. Now, placement assistance will be there. Assistance means until the threshold, until you go to the interviews, we'll take the responsibility of your resume. We will take how you should attend the interview. But you people should attend the interviews. We are not going to take care of the interviews, but we are going to refer something like this company has a opening, this company has a opening, this company has a opening, according to our channels. According to our channels, we have hundreds of clients. We have hundreds of HRs. Those who are we have linked up with them. If the students are outstanding students, we are going to refer them to the HRs and hundreds of clients. Okay, and the class will be for 1 hour 30 minutes. 1 hour 30 minutes. In 1 hour will be the class. 1 hour will be the class, and you will be having 15 minutes of doubt session. If you have any doubts, you can ask the doubt. Any type of doubts you can ask to the faculty, and you will be having 15 minutes of task. The task will be there every day. We'll be having the task. In the task you will be having the teaching task only. What the faculty has taught you today, that will be there for you, the task. Okay, once the task is completed, one R&D will be there. One R&D. The R&D is nothing but research and development. Research and development. What does that mean? Research and development means, suppose if the student goes to the office, once they have completed this course, if he or she gets a job in the IT industry, they should not think that our SAR is there, our Ameer SAR is there, or Suresh IT is there. They should not. They should work individually. So we make the people confidence that. So we will give R&D every day. If they have the R&D every day, after 3 months, they will be expertise in that. They will be expertise in that. Okay. And this course is for 90 days. For 90 days of period. For the freshers, the openings will be like this. The salary will be for the freshers like 3.5 lakhs to 3.5 lakhs to 6 lakhs for the freshers. And for the experienced people, suppose if you are there in some other technology, but you want to change the technology into the Salesforce, and you want to enter into the IT industry with the Salesforce cloud application, then you can have like a 3 years of experience. 3 years of experience, if you have that 3 years of experience, you will be getting 8 lakhs to 8 lakhs to 12 lakhs of package. 12 lakhs of package per year. Okay. And for the 2026, Salesforce need 1.3 million, 1.3 million, 1.3 million employees to the Salesforce team, and that is like 13 lakhs of people. 13 lakhs of people they need. Okay, so be perfect in this. If you get the opportunity, don't lose the opportunity, because the Salesforce is the best CRM in the world, as I told you before. If you have any questions, you can ask me now. If you have any questions, you can ask me now. I'm done with the demo. If you have any type of questions, I'm ready to accept. And one thing I'm telling you, don't hesitate to ask a question. I'm ready to speak you in Hindi language. I'm ready to speak you in Telugu language. I'm ready to speak in English language. I'm ready to speak in Tamil language. All the 4 languages, I'm very much flexible. If you are available with these languages, I'm ready to answer. If you don't have, suppose if you fear to speak in front of me, please use the chat board and write it here in the chat board. I'm going to answer you in the chat board also. Don't worry. Okay, I'm going to answer you from the chat board also. If you have any question, please post a question or else ask me English.
Hi.
Yeah, Kuchi.
Hi, Amir. Good morning, Amir.
Yeah.
Hi.
You're good.
Amir, yeah, my name is Uday, Amir.
Yeah, hi.
Good morning. Amir, I'm having close to 9.5 years of experience into IT. So I was into testing and DevOps support, Ansible. So after that, I quit the job in TCS. So since 1 year, I'm looking for a job now. I did SAP course now, 5 months back.
Mhm.
So SAP Materials Management I have done. So
MM.
there is no calls for it. People are asking production planning again. Some
If you go to the MM, again you need the PP.
yeah.
So can you say what will happen is, if you have the production planning or else or else project maintenance, they will give for the MM. Okay, so this is like a cycle.
Okay.
Cycle. Okay. Now what is your question?
So I don't know whether I have to go again learn about production planning or some other module, because I'm not getting calls. People are asking IDOC, people are asking some ABAP knowledge also as a functional consultant. So my friend suggested go with the Salesforce. I don't know. I don't know coding anything. So just so I joined.
Yeah, I'm telling you again. No need of coding. No need of coding required in Salesforce. No need of coding required in Salesforce. Okay. If you have
Okay.
the knowledge of application knowledge or the click and go, as I told you, the account object, as I told you, how we can insert the record, how we can save the record. If you have that type of knowledge also, that is more than enough to work on the Salesforce. Okay. So now the work is like you have 9.5 years of experience. You can go with the,
Yes.
you can add the previous company's experience as a Salesforce experience.
Okay.
And go like a Salesforce experience. That will be a good app for you. Suppose what is your salary you get in the previous company?
12.3 is the last package in TCS. So
12.3 is the last package, right? Now, if you what is the how many years of experience you have in TCS, the last company's experience?
TCS 3.2.
Then perfect. 3.2 you have, right? Then 3.2 you can quote for 15 lakhs to 18 lakhs.
Okay.
18 lakhs. Now you have all the documentation with you, right?
Yes, I have documents on that.
Keep all the documents. I'm suggesting you keep all the documents. The TCS will be the important thing in your life. So learn Salesforce and keep the TCS as a previous company, and again start the search. After 3 months, you will be an expertise in Salesforce. No worries. We are going to help.
Yeah, I attended already 2 demos with some other institutes in Hyderabad. They're saying integration is must and show JavaScript is very much mandatory. I don't know.
No, I will show you why it is not mandatory. I will tell you because we have the artificial intelligence now. We have, for all the students, I'm telling, we have the artificial intelligence now. We have the co-pilot here. Now, don't go from the blind people, those who are old people. They are like a 40 years of people, 50 years of people. They have experience in the coding knowledge. Nowadays, all the Gen Z people are there. All the experienced students are there. They have the artificial intelligence experience. If you prompt a question in the artificial intelligence, you can have the code in a single prompt. So don't learn the code. Everything available in the artificial intelligence. Understand?
Okay. Okay.
So it is easy concept. It is a very easy concept. I'm telling you, don't go with the code. If you don't have the code, also no worries. We are going to teach you how we can run the application, how we can write the code, what are the things we need to take care. Everything will be teachable here itself.
Okay.
Okay.
Integration also you'll be covered, Amir. I mean, you'll be covering integrations also.
Integration will not be covered because integration will take like they will not give you for the 3 years, 3 years or 4 years of integration. If they have experience of 5 to 6 years of experience, they will give in the integration. So I suggest the people, those who are going into the IT industries, don't go with the integrations first. Point number one. If you go to the integration, you will be seeing like an elephant, the big thing. What is this type of a code? I can't write now. So these are the things will be getting in your mind. So you will not step in that. So my suggestion is, see, as I told you, I have 15 years of experience. I talk to the people from the US. I talk to the people from the UK, from Australia, from in Nepal, Malaysia, and Indian Singapore. Okay, we have the students like this. Here, if you go with the integration, the student will not step into the IT. Once you go into the IT, after you are getting experience into the IT industry, like a 3-4 years of experience, then start learning of integration. What is a REST API? What is a SOAP API? What are the APIs we need to have? How we can integrate with this to the DevOps? How we can integrate Salesforce to the Google? So everything will be taught like that. But the simple integration will be having a look in Salesforce now itself. No worries, like how you can have the Google Outlook to Salesforce, how you can have the PIN numbers of Indian PIN numbers to the Salesforce, how we can have the Google Maps to the Salesforce. This will be there. No worries. But the integration part, which is the broad-minded part, will not be here.
Okay.
Okay. And
Also,
Yes, sir.
Amir, do you guys provide the videos of the previous sessions or?
I will make a notice of this one. See, as a live session will be going on here. After the live session, you will be the video will be available. The live recording will be available. Live recording will
Thank
be
you, Amir.
available for 2 years.
Got it. Thank you so much.
Yeah, for 2 years, you can see the recordings. You can have a number of times to see that. The 2 years will be available there. Yes.
What is the course duration? Sorry, I joined
Course
late.
duration is 90, as I told you, 90 days.
90 days. And it is going to be 1.5 hours per day?
Yes, so
Or
1 hour, 30 minutes.
Okay. So you'll be covering first admin module followed by development, or like how it is going to be?
First, it will be an admin module.
Mhm.
First will be the admin module. All the admin concepts will be completed. Then after that, we will start development module. In the development module also, we have the triggers is called it here as an admin part, but we have included the triggers in the coding.
Okay.
Okay, because we need to explain the students like what is a simple coding, how they can write the simple code. And after that they can have the knowledge of triggers in the admin part.
So people with zero coding background can also learn it easily. I mean, like, people can start from the scratch.
Yes, yeah, people, if you don't have the coding knowledge also, they are really welcome in this Salesforce because from the mechanical background, from the electrical background, from the triple background, all the students have learned the Salesforce without the coding logic, without the computer knowledge.
Yeah, hi, Ameer.
Yeah, hi.
My question is like, you are saying if you have a previous experience, it is better, okay? Suppose I have three plus years of experience in IT for a different domain, and I want to switch my career in Salesforce, okay? Is there any need to complete certification in Salesforce like administrator, PD1, like that?
See,
Is there any mandatory
it is
for?
not mandatory.
Mhm.
It is not mandatory. A few companies will be asking you, like, can need a certification, like admin certification or the PD1 certificate, depending on the requirement of the client. But it is not mandatory.
Okay. Okay, and what is the time of this class means in
That
daily basis?
that organization will inform you that when you will when the feasible time the slots are available. The organization will inform you that in the morning or in the evening or in the afternoon, depending upon the student requirement.
Yeah, okay, okay. Actually, we are in working means I don't know others, but I'm in working profession. So
I didn't get to make. Yeah, pardon? Pardon, can you repeat again?
actually, I don't know others, but means some people are in working profession. So we need to manage the class time at morning or at evening.
For
I
three
think I
days,
believe
for 3 days, it will be the same time.
Okay.
Because 3 days we'll be having the demos. Then
Okay.
after the demos, we'll be completing according to the time. But for the 3 days, this is the same time.
Hi, sir.
Yeah, hi.
Sir, I completed my graduation in 2023, sir, BTech Civil Engineering. Now I want to enter into IT field. Can I have 3 years of career gap, sir? Salesforce in Salesforce, sir, can I enter as a fresher, sir? Can freshers have jobs in Salesforce?
You can enter as a fresher also. You can enter as an experience also. What I am saying is, if you have the knowledge of 3 months of knowledge, we are going to provide you like 3 years of experience of knowledge. Okay, you can be expertise of 3 years of experience. You will be equal to the 3 years experience. So my suggestion is, if you want to keep as a fresher, you can keep as a fresher. If you want to keep as an experience, you can keep as an experience. That is your personal thing, okay? But our suggestion is to go as a fresher, knowledge will be there, as experienced knowledge also will be there. If you want to opt for two things, you can opt for two things also.
Can freshers have vacancies, sir, in Salesforce?
For the freshers also, we have the openings. The previous month, we have 6 members joined from our organizations. They are working in that now. In the startups, so they have work in the MNC companies. For the Deloitte, I think. Deloitte also they have joined. 2 members have joined as a fresher.
Is career gap will be a problem, sir? 2.5 or 3 years career gap will be any problem?
I will suggest you. May I know your name?
Mustafa, sir.
Mustafa, I will suggest you that how you can start your career here. If you have that gap, what are the things you need to take care? How we can keep all these things? What are the things you should add in that? We will suggest you personally. Don't worry, Mustafa.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. And Ram Babu Are and Tanuja D and Tushar Mantha. Anyone have that question? Please post it in the chat box also. I'm ready to answer.
So what program language will be covered, sir? Apex or JavaScript here?
See, here Apex language will be covered, Visual Force will be covered, next LWC will be covered, and the Aura will be covered. Okay, and the HTML CSS scripting will be like how we can use this HTML CSS scripting in the Salesforce. That will be taught. Is it clear?
Okay.
Is that a mandatory prerequisite to learn JavaScript
No
for
need,
the
no need,
Salesforce
no need.
coding?
No need, no need, no need. See, I'm underlying again, no need to have the knowledge of code to learn a Salesforce. You can learn anything like from the scratch from here itself. So no need to have the previous knowledge, no need to have the primary things and all. Please come with a computer knowledge, please come with a graduation. That is more than enough to have the job.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hi, this is Ravan Kumar, and I'm from the background of mining engineering. I have experience from the mining background and teaching. Will I fit for this? Okay. Do I get a fresher job, or maybe my past experience will be considered? See, if you are from the mining background, Seven is here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Shravan, hi Shravan, good morning.
Hi,
Uh,
sir.
Shravan, if you have the experience for the mining background experience, do you have all the documents for that?
Yes, sir. I have documents.
Do you have the
But the thing
P4?
is that mining industries will not respond to previous companies like in the BGV. Will they will drop a mail for BGV, right? So mining industries will not respond back like that.
I will ask you the question. Do you have the
Mm.
PF?
Yeah. I have PF.
You have it. Now you are running into the industry, or else you have quit the job.
No, I was quit job before 2 months.
Before 2 months, you have quit the
Um,
job. Now the PF account has been hold, right?
yeah.
So make that 3 years mining. So don't worry about the mail and all. Okay.
Ha,
Only,
ha.
only the only the matrix will be there.
Mm.
To take care of the BGVs and all. So I will have the mails and all. But these things will be ignored. If you have
Okay.
all the documents, then please go with that document itself. So don't worry about the mails. And all.
Okay, fine.
Okay?
Yeah, thank you.
Anyone, Tushar, Rambabu, Are, Tanuja,
Sir?
yeah, Ram.
Sir?
வணக்கம் ப்ரோ.
Yeah, வணக்கம். யாரு
எப்படி
ராம்பாபு?
இருக்கீங்க? நான் தான் ராம்பாவத். எப்படி இருக்கீங்க?
எப்படிங்க, நல்லா இருக்கியா?
நல்லா இருக்கேங்க ப்ரோ. இது
சொல்லுங்க.
வந்து நான் வந்து இப்போ டிஎஸ்எஸ் வேலை பண்றேன். as a டெஸ்டர் ஃபங்க்ஷனல். நான் வந்து இப்போ கோடிங் இல்லாம ஏதாவது
கோடிங்
code ஏதாவது கத்துக்கலாம் வந்து.
coding சுத்தமே வேண்டாம். அது no need of coding. Okay, so please make sure of that. If you are working, இப்போ எங்க நீங்க ஒர்க் பண்ற டீச்சர்ஸ்ல தான்?
ஆமா, டிசிஎஸ் தான், சென்னை.
So if you're working in the TCS, please use the TCS and learn Salesforce, and you can have the good job. What is the salary you're getting now?
Near 5.
You can have to 8 lakhs to 10 lakhs.
Okay. Evergreen, we have a vacancies on Salesforce.
On the cloud computing, we have evergreen, because for the past 12 years, this is the best CRM in the world. If I'm wrong, please go with the Google and search once.
Okay.
Google पे search करेंगे. What is the best CRM in the world?
Okay.
Okay. So you will be getting the information, but use the TCS and make sure of learning Salesforce, and use the TCS and go with other company. After that, you will be getting the best package.
சரிங்க. எங்க வந்து நம்ம இன்ஸ்டியூட் எங்க ஹைதராபாத்லயா சென்னையில இருக்கு? இது
ஹைதராபாத்ல இன்ஸ்டியூட் இருக்கு.
எங்க?
இங்க ஹைதராபாத் அமீர்பேட்ல இருக்கு.
ஓகே. நீங்க எங்க இருக்கீங்க இப்போ?
நீங்க இருக்கீங்க?
நான் வந்து சென்னையில தான். அங்க இருந்து கிளம்பணும், ஏதாவது கத்துக்கலாம். ஹைதராபாத் வந்துட்டு கொஞ்சம் ஏதாவது ஸ்கில் அப்கிரேட் ஆகிட்டு மூவ் பண்ணலாம், ஸ்விட்ச் பண்ணலாம் வண்டி பிளான் இருந்தேன்.
ஆமா, வாங்க. வெல்கம் ஆல்வேஸ் வெல்கம் மிஸ் ராம்பாபு.
ஓகே.
ஆல்வேஸ் வெல்கம். இங்க வாங்க. You can sit here, you can speak, you can have the knowledge updated.
Okay. அமீர்பேட்ல எங்க நம்ம அட்ரஸ்?
நீங்க அமீர்பேட் வாங்க, just call them, get this number, you can speak with them. Suresh IT.
இப்போ நம்ம கோர்ஸ்க்கு எவ்வளவு பிரைஸ் வந்து?
The SARS will speak, that organization will speak. No worries about the course fees and all. They will speak with you.
Okay. சரிங்க, நன்றி.
Thank you Rambabu, நன்றி. Anyone there?
Hello.
Yeah, hello Nagamash.
Yes sir. Actually I completed my degree in 2020. Then after I got a job in Cognizant. I worked on data process actually for 1 year, and then I have a gap for 2 years. Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, and parallelly I did a MSc, and recently now I completed MSc. So will this be suitable for me?
2020 you have worked, you have done, right?
Yeah, 2020 I completed my
CTS.
degree.
In CTS, right?
No, from I completed degree in 2020. In
2020.
2021 I joined Cognizant.
Okay. In 21 you have joined in CTS. Okay.
Yeah.
Then afterwards you have worked for 1 year.
Yeah, I
In
worked for 1
2022.
year. 2022. Yeah.
22. Okay. And then afterwards what happened?
Due to my
MSc.
yeah,
MSc or married?
I'm married.
Perfect. You can
Yeah,
use this
recently.
married one. Yeah, I'm suggesting you. I'm suggesting you for the women, for the ladies, those who want to enter into the IT, please use the word of marriage. Okay, so this will be considered.
Okay.
Okay, if you have 2 years also, if you have 3 years gap also,
Yeah.
the TCS is properly asking that if the married people, even if you have the gap for 3 years, the TCS is accepting. So no worries. Okay.
Okay.
Use the
And
word of like I'm married.
yeah, I got your point. Yeah.
Super.
Okay. Parallelly, I completed MSc. Recently, I completed. I'm waiting for the final semester results only. By the completion of the course, I think I'll get my final semester results also.
This is the right time to have.
This is yeah. Actually, I previously did a course regarding coding, but I couldn't manage that coding. So I want to do a course that doesn't have any coding. I'm not able to do on coding. That is the reason.
That is the coding. It is not a black dot. We will teach you from the start. Like the first thing is we need to have the admin course. Admin is like easy concept. Like as I told you, the account object is there. You should click on that, and afterwards we need to give the data. Afterwards we need to save that. Okay. If you have these concepts and all, the coding you will get it automatically. Don't worry about the coding.
Okay, in Salesforce admin role also we have coding.
No. Admin is only click and go applications.
Okay, and may I know about the openings because I already told, right? I did a course on
in the
coding
year of
that doesn't have.
2026.
Just a minute. That doesn't have openings for freshers. For the whole year, maybe 1 or 2 openings we have for fresher and intern position, and completely they have openings for experienced only.
No.
So that is why I'm specially asking what is the scope for freshers.
See, yeah, for the freshers also they have the opening. If you go with the Deloitte, if you go with the Accenture, if you go with the Dell, so all these companies are acquiring the freshers as a Salesforce developers.
Okay.
As a Salesforce developers. Okay. Now I'm telling you the Sensex of Salesforce in the year of 2026, they need 13 lakhs of people of Salesforce. Even Accenture also, they required in the month of March 300 people on Salesforce. They have 6 projects in that.
Okay. Okay, and one more small doubt. Do entity data have Salesforce roles?
Entity data also has the Salesforce.
Okay.
Entity data also has a Salesforce. You can find in the Chennai entity data. You can find in the Hyderabad entity data also. You can have. But learn first course. First learn. Then after that you can decide that which company you want to go, which company you don't want to go, which location you want to go. Don't stick with the companies. First learn, then afterwards stick with the companies. Yeah.
Ameer, one more question. So, is deployment will also be covered in these sessions, like with any of the tools, let's say Copado or something like that?
What is the way deployment? Deployment thing is for the 1 day course. 1 day course. That how we should write the code, how we should have the application, how we should get into the development to testing and all. After writing that, only one button will be there for the deployment. If that button carries to the production, it will be saying that the 75% of code coverage is completed. Once this is done, automatically it will be moved to the deployment. Okay, for the freshers and all, for the 3-4 years experience and all, so don't go with the deployment till now. Like say that when you get the interviews that my senior people has taken for the deployment, we as the people involved in that.
Okay. So we can say that release team is completely aware of this deployments.
Yeah,
we can say that.
Exactly.
Okay.
I am there in the development. I am there in the test, or else I am there in the admin. I involved in the deployment. But the change set will be there for the senior people also. Only 6-7 years people will be there.
Okay.
Yeah. Someone asked me the question, I think. Tanuja, how AI works? Any AI tool patch this? Yes. Tanuja. Am I speaking with Tanuja? Tanuja, are you there? Tanuj D. Tanuj D. Are you here? Tanuj D, if you are hearing, I'm going to explain your question.
Can you hear me?
Yes, Tanuj. Yeah, hi Tanuj D. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. Thanks for asking. I'm just
how AI
thinking-
works? Can AI tool match with the Salesforce CRM? We have the Agentforce. I think you have heard about the AI Agentforce. Okay, one is that one. And in the VS Code, we have the Copilot. In the VS Code, we have the Copilot. You can use the Copilot also for the coding purpose. Okay, and you can integrate if you're curious with that, you can integrate the Salesforce with the ChatGPT.
Yeah. Now just I'm saying that Gemini is integrating with this. Salesforce. So completely into the Copilot, right?
Yeah, completely. The Salesforce is completely with the artificial intelligence, and that too, it is a cloud.
Yeah.
It is a cloud application. I will show you one thing which you can understand easily. What does that mean? See, yeah. Are you able to see this one?
Yeah.
See, yeah, we have the 1960s like a time sharing concept that is there, and in the 1999, the Salesforce has launched as a SAS CRM, that is a cloud application. In 2002, Amazon launched as AWS, and that IaaS tools. In 2008, the Google and the Microsoft joined the cloud. In the 2010, the cloud became the mainstream. As I told you, the SAS, PaaS, and IaaS. And now 2020 to 2025, we have the artificial intelligence driven, the cloud era. That means the Salesforce and the artificial intelligence. Okay. So it is an advanced thing, sir. The Salesforce is always an advanced thing.
Okay.
Anyone? Any other? Tushar? Tushar, do you want to ask me anything? If you don't want to ask me, please write it in the chat board. I can answer you, Tushar. Padma D. Padma D, do you have any questions to ask me? If you have any questions, you can post it in the chat box also, Padma. I'm ready to answer. And would I have answered? I think. Ashok, do you have any questions?
No, Amir. I clear with my doubts.
Perfect, Ashok. And Slavan Kumar, you have cleared it. Afterwards, who is there? Anyone I missed? Anushi, Uday, and Anusha. Kiran Kumar. Do you have any doubts, Kiran Kumar?
Hello, sir. Actually, I'm having 20 years of experience overall. I'm already 44 years old.
Okay, good.
And the thing is that recently, I was laid off in TCS. And so I've been working as a Spanish language translator all these years.
Perfect.
So now someone told me that no, since you're looking for non-coding things, why don't you attend this demo? And so I'm here. So like I don't know.
You have correctly pitched up, Mr. Kiran. You correctly pitched up. Now you are there in Spanish, right?
Yes, yes. I got 18 years of experience in Spanish. I've been
Spanish. See, that will be the fetching for you. That will be the fetching for you in the Salesforce. Why I'm telling you, no, if you have the Salesforce clients from the Spanish,
okay.
If you have the Salesforce client from the Spanish, then you will be the resource.
Okay, okay.
And you will be the resource. So, what we will do is when we are writing the resume, we will make that the 18 years of experience in the Spanish language also. If the pitch is there, then automatically you will be get into the Spanish Salesforce developer. If the client is from the Spanish, you can explain in the Spanish language. So you will be the outstanding man. So don't worry. Now learn the Salesforce and make the habit of how we can explain into the Spanish.
Okay, I got it. But the only thing is that no, so I was never into coding and I do not have any interest in coding as well all these years.
No worries. If
It's
you don't
only
have interest also, no worries. Because the artificial intelligence there nowadays, now we no need to keep all the coding into our minds. Everything is on board itself now. Now we have the Google Gemini, now we have the ChatGPT, now we have the Copilot, now we have the Agent Force. Everything is there. Okay, we are going to use into this all these things into the Salesforce itself. Now, what we will do is we are going to teach you the basic coding, like what is a language, how to write the simple code, how to run that language. If you run that, what will happen? All these things will be taught here. So you don't need to have the coding knowledge at all. We are going to teach from the scratch. See, keep the word of coding outside of your mind. Okay.
Okay.
First learn the admin course, then afterwards I will tell you what to do.
Okay, sure.
Good to
Yeah,
hear, Mr. Kiran from Spanish language. Huh? Nice.
Yeah, thank you.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, Manisha only.
Yeah,
one more doubt. Okay, you will be assisting in doing one project that we can keep in our resume, right?
Manisha, that project will be the virtual project that will be useful for the practice purpose. If you want to keep in your resume, I will tell you one suggestion. I will tell you what project you have done in your company, and that project will be assigned in the resume itself. I will make that project as a Salesforce project.
Okay.
See, what we are giving that project is a virtual project for the practice purpose.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, for fresher, this will be fine, right?
For the fresher, this is fine. For the freshers, this is fine. What we are giving this project is more than enough for the fresher. If at all
Okay, and
you are experienced, then we should check. We should add 2 more projects.
okay, and can we come to institute on Fridays or Saturdays for practicing?
You can always come. You can always come. Always institute will be open from in the morning from 7 o'clock to in the evening. So you can have practicing here itself. We will be assisting you all the time. If you are willing to come, you can come.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Anyone there? Kishore Vemula. Do you have any questions to ask Kishore?
No, I'm good with my questions. I got answers.
Yeah, perfect. And shall we wrap up?
Yes, please. Okay. Can I get this recording, Ameer? Why? Because I joined little late. I did not was not there when you were explaining the topic. So can I get this recording?
Is it Kishore?
Yes.
Kishore, where you are, Kishore? Like from where you have missed?
I mean, like I was there when you were explaining this, that Hindi, Telugu, English, etc. Right?
Oh,
I
at the
joined.
last moment you were there.
Yes.
You can join tomorrow also, Kishore. If you have time, you can join in the morning.
The same timing, 9 to 10:30.
Yeah.
And the link will be same or
same. I will ask the person to share the link. If you have their number, you can ping them that please share the tomorrow's demo. Like that.
Okay. I will have their number. I'll reach out to them. Thanks, Amir.
Perfect. And Mr. Who is this? Tushar. Tushar, shall I speak in English or Hindi? Hi, sir. I have worked with the TCS 3 years in the BPO. Now I wanted to get into Salesforce. Will my previous experience get considered? If few years, the current city is 2 lakhs per annum. How much shall I accept after getting into Salesforce? Tushar, what is the offer you have in the TCS? The offer letter you have as a Tushar, are you there? As an associate engineer, or else as an associate, right? Associate. So they mentioned like any BPOs and all? No. In the offer. They have not mentioned any BPO, right? See, if they have not mentioned any BPO, you can use that TCS application offer letter itself. You can use that for the Salesforce itself. Okay, so you can work out on this. Like if you have 3 years of experience, you can get at least 8 lakhs to 10 lakhs package, Mr. Tushar. Is it clear, Tushar? Tushar, is it clear? Anyone there?
I think he dropped off.
Yeah, no worries.
Amir, what is this course you mentioned? Salesforce with Gen
Because we will be using the agent force here. We will be using the agent force. We will be using the Copilot. We will be using the code for the for dragging and dropping on all. We will be using the GenAI's applications.
Okay.
Okay, to 10 lakhs.
Sir, I'm leaving, sir. Thank you for your time.
Yeah, okay.
Thank you, Amir. Thank you for the session.
Yeah, guys. If you have doubts, you can ask me, or else you can ignore the call.
Thank you.
Okay, bro. நாளைக்கு சந்திப்போம்.
Yeah, கண்டிப்பா வரீங்க. Always. Padma D have not asked me any question. Tanuj, you have asked. 1 second. Join late today. Don't get a chance to attend the demo on time. Post content and do it. So everything will be available. Mr. Tanuj, are you there? Mr. Tanuj, I think you are there. Please make sure to speak with a concerned person. They will be sending you all the details. Okay.
Yeah.
I think you have the number of there. Please ask them that of the index and the duration and the timings and the recording also. Or else, if you want to join one more time, you can join tomorrow. Mr. Tanuj.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. No worries. Anything? Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Tanuj and Nagamanisha. Bye-bye. Mustafa.
Bye.
Yeah.
Bye. Thank you.
Mustafa, Tashar, Kumar, Padma, Anusha. All of you, all the best. And thank you guys for joining. Bye-bye. Have a nice day. Anuj, again, you have asked. Yes. Thank you, Tanuj. Thank you. कोई है? अगर आपको हिंदी में चाहिए तो हिंदी में बोल सके. कोई है? कोई नहीं ना? ఇంకెవరైనా ఉన్నారా తెలుగులో మాట్లాడడానికి? ఎవరైనా అడగద్దామా అనుకునే, తెలుగులో మాట్లాడదామని అనుకునే వాళ్ళు ఉన్నారా ఎవరైనా? పద్మ తెలుగులో కావాలి? పద్మ తెలుగులో చెప్పనా? I think you're not able to hear my voice. Padma? Padma, are you able to hear my voice? మీకు నా మాట వినబడుతుందా పద్మ? ఓకే పద్మ, మీకు ఏ డౌట్ ఉన్నా కూడా పద్మ, if you have any doubts, please post it in this chat box, or else you can keep texting with a concerned phone number. I think they have your phone number. If you have any doubts, please ask the concerned person. Okay. Thank you, Padma. Thank you for Padma for joining. So don't worry. If you have any questions, please ask as a DM also. I think you have the number. Please post it in that. So it will be answered. Thank you, Padma.